Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in percentage. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, two numbers are respectively 12.5% and 25% more than a third number. Here our question is first number is what percent of the second number? Okay friends. Friends, here first number is 12.5% more than the third number. Friends, 12.5% means 1 by 8. 1 by 8. So, it is better to take the third number as a multiple of 8. You can take any number, preferably multiple of 8, because 12.5% is equal to 1 by 8. So, here I am taking the third number as 64. Friends, first number is 12.5% more than the third number. 12.5% means 1 by 8. 1 by 8 of 64 means 8. 8 plus 64, 72. So the first number is 72. And now coming to second number. Second number is 25% more than the third number. 25% of 64 means 16. 16 plus 64, 80. Friends, now we have all the three numbers. We want the first number is what percent of the second number. So 24s, 25s, 4 18s, 18 5s, 90% friends. First number is 90% of the second number. Thank you.